See, draw PQ is equal to 4.6 centimeter and extend up to R such that PR is equal to 6 centimeters. Okay. So given, what is given here? PQ equal to how much? 4.6 centimeters. And you can extend this line that PR is equal to 6 centimeters. Okay. So all of you take your scale and pencil. All of you take your scale. So first, keep the scale on your book. Okay. From 0 onwards, 0 onwards you have to put the point. And next, 4.6. PQ is equal to what? 4.6. Where it is 4, 4 after one long line is there, that is 4.5. After that, small line is there, that is 4.6. Okay, put the dot there and draw the line. Okay, P. You have to put the point here P and put the point here Q. PQ is equal to how much? 4.6 centimeters. And then you have to extend the line such that PR is equal to 6 centimeters. So you have to put in here on P 0, 6. Wherever it is 6, you have to put the point there. Then you have to extend the line like this. Okay, and this point is R. So it will be 6 centimeters. Write it like that. Draw a line segment OP with certain length and mark a point Q on it. Check whether OP minus PQ is equal to OQ. Okay, you have to draw a line segment OP with certain length. Any length you have to take it. Okay. So fourth question answer. Let any length you have to take the, so let OP is equal to 6 centimeters. Let OP is equal to 6 centimeters. Take a scale, all of you. Take a scale, put the 0 point. Okay. Put the point 0 from here to 6 centimeters. Where it is 6 centimeters, you have to draw a line. Suppose it is 6 centimeters. Okay. Now you have to put the point here. OP. OP 6 centimeters you have to draw. Now in this line, you have to put anywhere, put the point Q. Suppose I draw here Q. I put the point here Q. Anywhere you have to put the point Q. Okay. Set a line and mark a point Q on it. Check whether OP minus PQ is equal to OQ. So OP, what is the length of OP? We are taking 6 centimeters. So OP is equal to 6 centimeters. Then minus PQ. So what is the length of PQ? Find it. Find the length of PQ. Suppose it is PQ is 2 centimeters. Okay. Is equal to OQ. So OP, therefore OP minus PQ is equal to how much? OP how much? 6 centimeters minus PQ 2 centimeters. That is 6 centimeters minus 2 centimeters how much? 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters, that is OQ. That is equal to OQ. Right. Intersecting lines, parallel lines, concurrent lines, perpendicular lines. Okay. So what are parallel lines, what are intersecting lines, what are concurrent lines, what are perpendicular lines? You have to learn now. Okay. So did you know what are called parallel lines? What are called parallel lines, children? draw some lines. Is the lines will touch any line? Is the lines any lines touch any line? ఎక్కడైనా లైన్స్ టచ్ అయ్యి ఉన్నాయా? అన్ని లైన్స్ విడివిడిగా ఉన్నాయి. ఇలా ఎక్స్టెన్షన్స్ ఇలా ఎక్స్టెన్షన్స్ ఎక్కడైనా జాయిన్ అవుతున్నాయా? ఎక్కడ జాయిన్ అవ్వవు కదా. సో దీస్ లైన్స్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ parallel lines. Parallel lines ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఏ లైన్ కి టచ్ అవ్వవు. ఓకేనా? That are called parallel lines. Okay. So what is that? Suppose this line is L. This line is M. How to write the symbol? L is parallel to M. This is the symbol of parallel. Parallel symbol is like this. Okay. Did you know? L is parallel to M. Like that is hard to read. Okay. Next, intersecting lines. Intersecting lines means, suppose I draw one line here, L. Okay, I draw one line here, yeah. So, these two lines are intersecting at one point. It will intersecting or not? So, ఈ రెండు lines ఒక చోట join అయ్యాయి ఒక point దగ్గర join అయ్యింది కదా. So, these two lines are intersecting lines. Okay. So, intersecting lines, what is the symbol? L is, there is no symbol. Okay. So L is intersecting to M. So these two lines are intersecting at one point. ఒక point దగ్గర ఈ lines రెండు intersect అయ్యాయి. Okay now. Next, concurrent lines. Concurrent line means three or more lines passing through the same point are called concurrent lines. Concurrent lines means, see here. So number of lines are drawn here. Number of lines are drawn here and these lines are passing through one point only. So ఇవన్నీ lines కూడా ఒక point దగ్గర join అయ్యాయేమా? So these lines are called concurrent lines. ఇక్కడ two lines మాత్రమే intersect అయినాయి కాబట్టి two lines ఏమంటారు? Intersecting lines. కానీ ఇక్కడ number of lines join at one point. So that is called concurrent lines. What do you call? Concurrent lines. And what do you call this point? Concurrent point. What do you call? Concurrent point, and these lines are concurrent lines. Okay. Next, perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines means what? Suppose see this black dot, these edges will join like this, no? Okay. So this line will be joined like this. This edge. So it is a horizontal line. It is vertical line. Okay. So what is this here? 90 degrees will get here. 90 degrees will get, no? So what is called this one? So what is called? Perpendicular lines. The two lines, horizontal line and vertical line will be meet at one point here. That is called perpendicular lines. Okay, ma'am. So this is a perpendicular line. This is a perpendicular line. Okay, 90 degrees ekkadaithe touch avutundo akkada perpendicular lines ani antam. Okay na? Did you understand what is the symbol of perpendicular? This is a perpendicular symbol. Okay, this is parallel symbol and this is perpendicular symbol. Okay, now open your textbook, page number 115. Page number 115. See here, put the heading parallel lines. Parallel lines అని చెప్పేసి ఇక్కడ paragraph ఇచ్చా చూడండి. The lines that never meet even if they are extended any further are called parallel lines. The lines in your ruled book are parallel lines. If line L is parallel to line M, we denote this by writing L is parallel to M. We read this as L is parallel to M. Okay? Like this, you have to write parallel lines, intersecting lines, concurrent lines, perpendicular lines. Up to right here, parallel lines, from parallel lines to here. Write in your notebook, all of you. Put the headings and write it.